Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to decrease or increase the size of any hard disk space in Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do, if you're using a Windows 10 computer, then you can just put your cursor on the start menu and just right click and you can directly select this disk management. Or if you're using a Windows 7, then what you need to do, you just launch the start menu and just type for computer management. Just search for this app name as computer management if you're using a Windows 7 or older Windows versions. But if you're using a Windows 10, then directly point your cursor on the start menu, just right click it and select this disk management. So once you open the disk management, you can see all the disk drive, that is the hard disk drive. You can see here different hard disk drives. So how you can increase or decrease the size of any respective hard disk drive. So say you can see my C drive is having 476 GB, so I just want to decrease. So what you need to do is just right click and you can see your shrink volume. Just click on it, wait for a few seconds until its analyzing process gets complete. Now you can see here some informations regarding the drive. So it's showing directly default to resize this much. So say I just want to resize for 2 GB, so I'll just type 2048. You can select depending upon your needs how much you want to decrease. Just for your reference, as I'm showing you, as I select this for 2 GB, that is 2048 MB. So I'll just click on shrink. After that, just wait for a few more seconds until the process gets complete. As you can see right now, it's 476 before. Now you can see here 474 now, and the 2 GB is being separated from the earlier one. So I have decreased the size of the C drive from 476 now to 474. So you can see here 2 GB. So if you don't need again, and you can just add it to the C drive again. So how you can increase back your C drive, just for this, just right click again on your C drive and you can see here extend volume. Just click next. It will directly detect your separated space. So you can see I have separated earlier 2 GB, so it is already selected. Now click on next, click finish, wait for a few seconds. Now you can see back that it's being increased back to the default one. So in this way you can decrease or increase the size of any hard disk space using this cool tricks. So if you never known about this process, then try it out today and it will gonna help you if you want to separate or create multiple partitions or increase or decrease any hard disk space. Then you can try this process very easily. So if you find any difficulty in understanding or using this process, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.